tool is called Emergent AI. It's a no-code platform where you can build web apps and websites. It can with the integration of backend where I will show you how it works. I used this prompt to make a website. I use GPT-5 Beta model. Now it is running. This is the output given from GPT-5 Beta model. We have some issues, but overall it is okay website. Can it is good only. Some corrections are there. Okay, now I use the same prompt for prod. Yeah, it is over. Yeah, this is very good actually. This model is good and nice UI and all with a nice integration. It creates separate pages for each and thing. Overall, Emergent AI is good and Cloud AI is better.